We all know that one of the easiest and most profitable ways you can make money online is by doing affiliate marketing. You don't need to own a product, you don't need to create anything from scratch, and you don't need to come up with a unique idea to get started. Most importantly, you do not need a big team in place to make your first affiliate sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you will be making money even when you are sleeping. In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple system to help you go from zero to making $3,000, $5,000, and even $10,000 a month through affiliate marketing. The average income of an affiliate marketer ranges from about $59,000 to $160,000 a year. Imagine what that would be like if you could add an extra 6 figures to your bottom line this year. It doesn't matter if you're a complete newbie or if you don't have any technical skills, because the system I'm going to show you today does not involve spending days or weeks learning how to create products, set up websites, or learning digital marketing. Neither does it involve pulling all-nighters and working like a bee to finally start generating a handsome income. Instead, this AI-powered system will help you make money on autopilot while you literally sleep or travel or do anything else that you want. Just think about it. What would your life be like if you never have to answer to a boss again? You could disappear for weeks or even months and maintain the same income. Your job came with limitless gains instead of measly 5% raises. You could work from anywhere you feel like, whether that's at home or on a beach. Imagine receiving commissions like these on complete autopilot. Being an affiliate marketer who has generated over $1.2 million through affiliate marketing over the years, money is not my favorite part about affiliate marketing. What I love the most is that you can focus on telling people about products without the hassle of actually making them. It's like having a store without the headache of making what you sell, giving you more freedom to try different things and make money. But there is one big problem when it comes to affiliate marketing. Creating profitable affiliate campaigns requires a substantial investment upfront, both in terms of money and time. The key to success in this arena lies in crafting essential marketing elements to drive the sales. To achieve this, you will need to craft emails that resonate on a personal level, generate captivating content to pique audience interest, develop effective strategies for product promotion, ensure high visibility of your online presence in relevant searches, and additionally, you will require engaging video content and advertisements, persuasive website copy that encourages conversions, social media posts that garner significant attention and engagement. These elements are paramount to ensuring that your affiliate campaigns yield profitable returns like these. We wanted to solve this problem. We have engineered a groundbreaking AI system that solves all these problems and allows you to run affiliate marketing campaigns within minutes. For the first time ever, you can access a smart AI-powered app that automatically creates commission-generating affiliate campaigns within minutes, transforming you into a super affiliate overnight. Hey, it's Neil Napier here, and my team and I have created a profit-pulling AI marketing solution that provides an all-in-one package. Automated campaign creation, AI-powered content generation built on proven strategies where you can promote any product within seconds and it runs automatically around the clock. This system does not require you to shell out thousands of dollars on advertising fee. No more spending endless hours on creating campaigns or upfront team costs or paying hefty fees for marketing assets. Introducing AI Affiliate, the #1 artificial intelligence powered affiliate marketing platform that lets anyone create and run profitable affiliate marketing campaigns on autopilot. This is a user-friendly platform that works in 3 simple steps. Simply select the product you want to promote from JVZoo, ShareASale, Digistore24, and more. Hit Create Campaign to automatically create emails, video scripts, ad copy, social media posts, marketing frameworks, lead magnets, SEO, and more. And then run your campaign where you can sit back and watch the commissions roll in even while you sleep. This is a platform that allows everyone to build a reliable income stream using the power of AI. AI Affiliate is equipped with powerful features that simplify the affiliate marketing process. Select network, easily connect with established affiliate networks like JVZoo, ShareASale, and Digistore24. Access a wide range of products directly from your dashboard. You can choose products. You can find products across various categories effortlessly, and you can promote digital or physical products, granting flexibility in your marketing strategies. You have a built-in niche site research tool which gives you valuable insights with a single click. This way you can understand trends and audience preferences to stay ahead in your marketing efforts. AI generates all your content, where you can let AI affiliate craft personalized content for you, including emails, ad copies, and social media posts tailored to your chosen affiliate program. And you've got effortless campaign creation, where you can set up campaigns seamlessly with AI Affiliate's user-friendly platform. You can launch affiliate campaigns in just a few clicks without the hassle of complicated setup steps. We've got built-in deep filtering, allowing you to utilize the deep filters to find the ideal programs based on the commission percentages, product type, network, and more. AI Affiliate creates everything for you within seconds. You can generate lead magnets, video content, social media assets, engaging ads, SEO optimization, automated email campaigns, and marketing assets based on proven frameworks. Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your dashboard to see an insane amount of commissions rolling in. You will feel a sense of excitement and accomplishment as you realize that your affiliate campaigns are generating passive income for you. You have the freedom to spend your time doing what you love, while AI Affiliate takes care of the rest. This dream come true scenario can be your reality with AI Affiliate. Now you might be thinking, but what if I am a beginner? Can I really succeed with AI Affiliate? The answer is a resounding yes. AI Affiliate is 100% beginner friendly. It is designed to be user friendly and intuitive, even if you have no prior experience in affiliate marketing. We provide training guides to help you get started, and our support team is always available to assist you every step of the way. With AI Affiliate, anyone can become a successful affiliate marketer. Now here comes the exciting part. For a limited time, you can get instant access to AI Affiliate for a low one-time investment. This is an incredible offer that you don't want to miss. Imagine the potential of earning massive commissions and transforming your financial future. When you invest in AI Affiliate today, you will also receive exclusive bonuses that will further enhance your affiliate marketing journey. These bonuses include live training sessions, free updates for 365 days, and more. We understand that you might have some concerns or doubts. This is why we offer a 14-day money-back guarantee. Try AI Affiliate risk-free for the next 14 days. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, simply contact our support team and we will refund your investment, no questions asked. Remember, this special offer will not last long. The price of AI Affiliate will go up soon and it might switch to a monthly subscription model. So do not miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your affiliate marketing journey. Click the button below to secure your discounted access to AI Affiliate now. Welcome to AI Affiliate Walkthrough, and now I'm going to show you how we have been able to generate results like these for our business promoting other people's products. And remember, this does not require any product creation, any support on our end, but as you can see over time, we have generated over $2.6 million in affiliate sales and $1.2 million in commissions. This is the take-home money. And just last year alone in JVZoo, we did over $73,000 in commissions. And this does not even include the extra prize money we make from that by promoting these products. And to promote these products, we typically need to create assets like these. You can create webinar content ideas, you can create social media content, you can create lead generation content, and you can create email marketing content. This is just an example. There's so much other content you can create using AI Affiliate. Now let's go into AI Affiliate so I can walk you through the steps that you need to take to find high converting products that are going to make you money, that are going to be profitable, and then how can you go about creating all the assets that you need to promote them. Now, depending on your license, you will have certain restrictions, so your dashboard may look a little bit different, but if you have the full deal, then you are going to see exactly what I'm showing you right now. So as you will see, you've got recommended products right here that you can come and check. These are the products that we know are converting well and are something that you can make money with. But if you want to get more specific, you can click on filters and you can search based on specific keywords that you want, specific topics or minimum conversion rate or other details that you're looking for. So for now, for example, I'll do what I'll do best and I'll look for products on JVZoo. You can also choose about 39 different affiliate networks, depending again on the kind of license you have. The details are on the page when you get to it, if you're there already watching it. But let's go ahead and choose a keyword as well. So in this case, I'm going to choose social. Let's go ahead and see what kind of results we get. Now I've got a few products listed over here: quick social profit, social media automation, social ninja, and all these different kind of products. I know my list loves social. I know social is something I can sell quite easily. So now I'm going to just try and find something that has perhaps sold enough volume and has a good conversion rate as well. So based on all the data I have, I like Postradamus Pro, which seems to have enough sales. It has low refund rate and pretty good conversion rate as well. So let's go ahead and sign up to affiliate program. When you click that button, you'll be taken directly to the site where you can check out all the other details and request your link as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and request my link. And as you can see, now my link is available for me to go ahead and promote this product. But look, that's the only manual part that you need to do, because once you have done that, next up, you need to create all the marketing assets to be able to promote this. You can, of course, view the landing page by clicking here, but we're going to bypass that and we're going to use our AI writer. Now, this is where the fun begins, because this is going to automatically for you assess the program, the sales page, the landing page. So as you can see right now, it's assessing the page, and I'll show you what it brings out. You can see the program summary. You can see the main features of the program, promotion ideas. You can see program niches, problem solving aspect, audience recommendation, bonus ideas, personalized hooks, and a product demand as well. All this is truly instrumental for you to know exactly what you need to do to sell something. When I try to promote a product, sometimes I'm stuck for ideas as to what I need to say, who I need to say it to be able to make those sales. So this first screen that you see will set you up to understand exactly what you need to say to people to make that sale. And once you're happy with this, click on the writer button. And now when you click on the writer button, you are able to create any and all different kind of assets that you need to be able to go out there and sell this. You want to create emails? No problem. Just come in here, choose what kind of emails you need, and you'll be able to create those. So let's go ahead and we'll pick, for example, a new product announcement email. I can give it additional information that I want, for example. So my name is Neil Napier and I want to recommend this product to my audience who are really into social media. That's all you need to give. And once you're done with that, click on write content. And within seconds, it's going to create a brand new email for you. Again, you didn't have to type a single word. We automatically grabbed the landing page, all the information that we had to be able to create this for you. That is just one. You can then go ahead and create, let's say, lead generation magnets as well. So if you wanted to build an email list before you promote this product, you can generate lead magnet ideas. There you go. You got 5 lead magnet ideas over there. If you want to create some content for social media to be able to post on social media to get engagement, you can do engaging questions, Facebook posts, feature to benefit, hashtags, headlines, all these different things. I'm going to go ahead and pick, in this case, persuasive ideas for social media. There you go. Now you've got some ideas that you can use to create content on social media. And one thing I love a lot is webinars. I run a lot of webinars, so for me, it's very important to think about what content I could present on a webinar, what should be my call to action, what should be my script, what should I actually say, and everything else as well. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and pick webinar content ideas, and based on the product, based on what is being sold, now I'm going to get webinar content ideas that I can go ahead and deliver webinars on. So again, depending on the license, you will see all of these writing capabilities in your account, and you'll be able to create all the content as you need. You can create webinar content ideas, you can create social media content, you can create lead generation content, and you can create email marketing content. This is just an example. There's so much other content you can create using AI affiliate. And of course, once you're done with it, you go ahead, make some noise, get people on your email list, get people to buy products based on your recommendations, and you will see money coming in just from one campaign. And the way we scale this is we deploy multiple campaigns out there. It's very easy for you to come in, use the filter, and find out different campaigns that are suitable for you, campaigns that you want to run, campaigns that pay you well, and then just stack them up, scale them up, so you're able to deploy a lot of different money bags out there from which you can make money. There are other features to AI affiliate as well, but I will tell you that this alone is going to make you so much money. And of course, if you want to finesse that, if you want to improve that, you can use the niche finder to understand more about different niches out there. You can use e-commerce finder to see what's selling really well in the e-commerce world. Same with Amazon products. And then also, if you want to create affiliate content based on Amazon products, this search can help. And if you want to get backlinks using guest posts, this can help as well. So use AI affiliate. It's going to simplify, streamline, and make it easy for you to make money as an affiliate marketer without struggling with the day-to-day that comes with producing a ton of content that you need to produce.